There's nothing quite like the roar of a motorcycle on a dynamo meter, commonly known as a dyno. This machine allows you to run a motorcycle through its paces while keeping a close eye on all the performance characteristics of the engine and measuring the output at the wheel and in the tailpipe. So of course we took the Shandoka motorcycle system and rolled it on board to see exactly what this machine is capable of. We all want to know how this Shandoka motorcycle performs on a test bench, so we took advantage of the opportunity to measure the horsepower and top speed.
Might have to roll up maybe an inch.
Here's what happened.
How much air is in the rear wheel? You know?
42 pounds.
Okay, perfect.
Let me go get one more camera. I'll be right back.
All right. This dude's, he's got some talent, huh? That's a lot of fucking work right there, dude.
It drives the wheel like a chain.
It's an electric
I understand that.
box.
So
It's a drive in that thing. It tells it right here to go. Sends power to that engine, that drive back there. So like, this thing right here is on every Tesla, you know what I mean?
oh, okay.
That type of shit.
Here's the gate board.
Alright, I found that bike. Well. Alright, boss.
Alright, so we're in first speed there.
Alright.
Let me start this screen recording.
Okay, so like, where do you want me to stop running it?
Oh, it'll stop on its own. This one should stop at 50 miles an hour.
Okay.
Right, so you can just roll slow on the throttle and let's see how the machine behaves.
Throttle lock.
Yeah, because it hits where the preset limit is. Yeah, yeah. Okay, ready, number 2. There we go. And then the same thing, just roll up.
Big difference.
Yeah.
Tighten that front end down a little bit, Tyler. A little more with the jack, with the clamp. Okay. All right, let's go number 3.
Yeah. And then same thing on the throttle.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lock the throttle this time. For sure.
Do you want to know why Joe decided not to lock the throttle on speed setting 3? Stay tuned for the full episode of Shandoka on the Dyno.